Hello everyone. We have received a query from one of our subscribers who is Arshdeep Walia. So his question is around, he has a text like this and he want to extract something on the basis of a pattern. So basically he is asking, how do I extract something which is in between colon 20 colon and colon 23b colon, which is this text, and also he want to extract something which is between WCP and Commonwealth, and he is asking about this number. So for sake of simplicity, what I have done is I have just copied this content and I have created a folder where single input is I kept in a file the entire content what is looking for, and I have replaced that text with my name so that I can find it easily that it has extracted the right content later on, and then this would be the number. Alright, so let us start writing the code. So I go to the script file. Here I am going to write the code. Now you just follow the structure that my code is here and my input would be here in this folder. So instead of giving the complete folder path, I would be giving the relative path when I would be reading the content. So for that, let us start it now. So first of all, we want to read the content. So for that we use with open and then relative path single input.txt, which is the name of the file, as file. Let's say it is f. And now let us read the content of the file using fin equals f.read entire thing. Alright, let us try to print it what this fin is, which is fin, and it prints the content of the file. So we have read the content now. Now the next thing is we need to extract the meaningful information based on the pattern and then print it on console. So to find anything using the pattern, we have seen other videos as well that we use regular expressions. So we need to import re and then we need to search using the patterns. So how we search using regular expression patterns is re.search. We are going to use the method search, and you can see the arguments. First of all, you need to give the pattern and then the string. The third argument is optional. Alright, so we just need to take care of the two variables, two arguments basically, pattern and the string. String we know which is our input string, so we'll be keeping fin, but the pattern we need to define here. So let us go back to the problem statement again. We want to extract something between these two strings. So let us make the pattern now. So the pattern would be this, and then anything can come in between. So to make sure that anything comes in between, just put round brackets here like this, and then dot star question mark. Alright, so this means that we are searching for something which starts with this, which ends with this, and anything can come in between. Alright, so let us quote it and then give the input fin. Now this regex search is going to give us multiple results, and it is going to give us multiple groups as output. So we are looking for just first output. So what we do is group dot group, so dot group, and we print the first one. Let us print it using print, and we are getting the right name. Now the second condition was to find something which was between WCP and Commonwealth. So we just need to replace this with WCP and the second part with Commonwealth. Run it again, and we have got the output. We just need to take care of one thing here is, let's say we search for something which does not exist here in the string. Okay, so in that case, this probably gives us error like this because it is not able to find that pattern. So what we can do here is, we can put this thing in a try catch block. So try this, and if you are getting error, so that thing we need to put an exception. We can print match not found. You just need to remove these two brackets, and when you run this again, you'll get the output. First one is okay. For second one, it is not able to find the match and it gives error. Let us correct it again. Now it gives the right output. If you are okay with getting one of the outputs, so better you can put try except for each of these. Like this. Okay, now another problem statement is if you want to do the same thing for multiple input files which have the content like this, and you want to navigate through all the files one by one and print the desired output. So how we can iterate through all the files one by one? First of all, you need to import OS library, and then you need to iterate through all the files. So for file in os dot list directories, here you need to give the folder path where you want to look for the files. So all our files are into multi-input folder. So we just give the relative path here. So multi-input, and all the files would be in the variable fill, but those would be in folder multiple input, multi-input, and then variable name fill. Okay, so one by one it is going to read all the files, and then it is going to find the pattern, and then it is going to print it. One thing we do here is we also print a line separator, so we can see as output that for one file, once it prints a line separator, and then it prints the content of second file. So here we get the output. This is the first file output. It is not able to find the second pattern. For second, for third, for fourth, and here it is. So this is how you can write code for multiple files where you are going to look for something as a pattern. And if you have any questions in this problem statement or maybe something similar, feel free to write to me in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such interesting questions. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.